How to hide following list on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to hide your following list on your TikTok account, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. After you've done that, go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen over here. Now it'll take you to your profile. Over here, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings and privacy, which is on the bottom. Now, on your account, you can see 4 options, and among them, go to the option privacy. After you've gone to privacy, under interactions, you can see many options. Just go to the option it says following list over here. Now, on your following list, you can see 2 options, everyone and only you. Right now, it is set to everyone. Now, if you set it to only you, that basically means that only you can see your following list and other cannot. So this is how you can hide your following list on your TikTok. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful for you and see you in the next video.